Hello students, this is question from class 10th, chapter 14, probability, exercise 14.1. We are going to discuss question from 16 to 20 here. So our question 16 is 12 defective pens are accidentally mixed with 132 good ones. It is not possible to just look at a pen and tell whether or not if it is defective. One pen is taken out at random from this lot. Determine the probability that the pen taken out is good one. Now let us first of all see how many total pens do we have. So total pens we have is 12 is defective one and 132 we have been given is good one. So total pen we have is 144 here, and good pens we have been given is here is 132. So we have to find the probability that the pen taken out is good one. So probability of getting the good pen will be is equal to number of good pens by total pens. That will be number of good pens we know is 132 and good pen is 144. We can divide it by 12. So we have 12 1 ja 12 and 12 1 ja 12 and 12 12 ja 144. So probability of getting good pen here will be 11 by 12. Now let us go to our 17th question. It says a lot of 20 bulbs contains 4 defective ones. One bulb is drawn at a random from the lot. What is the probability that the bulb is defective? So here we have to find the probability of getting the defective bulb here. So probability of getting the defective bulb will be number of defective bulb by total bulbs here. So we have defective bulbs we have been given here is 4. So we write 4 here, and total bulb is 20. So 4 we divide it by 4, we have 4 1 ja and 4 5 ja. So probability of getting defective bulb will be 1 by 5. Now let's go to a second part. Suppose the bulb is drawn in part 1 is not defective and is not replaced. Now one bulb is drawn at random from the rest. What is the probability that the bulb is not defective? Now let us see that we had, first of all we had 20 bulbs and we have taken out one bulb in this part 1 and we haven't replaced it. So now total bulb we have now will be 20 minus 1, that is 19, and defective bulbs, and the bulb we took out was not defective, so defective bulb still remains here 4. We have 4 defective bulbs here, so defective bulb is 4. So not defective bulbs will be 19 minus 4, that is 15 here. So probability of getting not defective bulb will be is equal to number of not defective bulb by total bulbs. So that will be, we know not defective bulbs here we found out is 15 and total bulb is now 19. So probability of getting not defective bulb is 15 by 19. Now let us go to our question 18 here. A box contain 90 discs which are numbered 1 to 90. If one disc is drawn at random from the box, find the total probability that it bears 2-digit number. So we have 90 discs here and they are numbered 1 to 90. So we have to find the probability that it bears 2-digit number. So let's first of all see total outcomes. Here we have is 90 there because there are 90 discs. So single digit number from 1 to 90 is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and rest are 2-digit numbers. So single digit number is 9. So double 2-digit number will be 90 minus 9, that is 81. So probability of getting 2-digit number will be number of 2-digit number, that is 81, and total outcomes, that is 90. So we divide it by 9. We have 9 9 ja 81 and 9 10 ja 90. So probability of getting 2-digit number here will be 9 by 10. Now the second part says probability that the disk bears a perfect square number. So we know from 1 to 90 perfect square number is 1 square, that is 1, 2 square, that is 4, 3 square, that is 9, 4 square, that is 16, 5 square is 25, and 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49, 8 square is 64, 9 square is 81, and 10 square is 100. 100 is greater than 90, so we will not write this. So we have 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64 and 81. These are 9 here. So probability of getting perfect square number will be is equal to number of perfect square number. We have 9 here and total outcome is 90 here. So we divide it by 9. We have 1 by 10 here. So probability of getting perfect square number will be 1 by 10. Now 1 by 10. Now third part is probability that the disk bear a number divisible by 5. So total outcomes we have 90. We have 90 numbers here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on 90. And number divisible by 5 will be 90 divided by 5, that is 18. Okay. So probability of getting number divisible by 5 will be total number that are divisible by 5, that is 18, and total outcome is 90. So we divide it by 18. 18 1 ja and 18 5 ja. So probability of getting number divisible by 5 will be 1 by 5. This was our question 18. Now let us go to question 19 here, which says a child has die whose 6 phases show the letter as given below, that is A, B, C, D, E and A again. So the die is thrown once. What is the probability of getting letter A here? So first of all, let us write down total outcomes. So total outcomes here is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So number of letter A. Number of letter A here we have is 2 here. So probability of getting letter A will be is equal to total number of letter A by total outcomes. Total outcomes. So total number of letter A we have is 2 and total outcome is 6. So we divide by 2. We have 2 1s and 2 3s. So probability of getting letter A will be 1 by 3 here. Now we have to find that probability of getting letter D here. So again, number of letter D. Letter D here we have is only 1. So it will be 1. Now probability of getting letter D will be is equal to total number of letter D by total outcomes. So we have D only once. So we write it 1. Total outcome is 6. So it will be 1 by 6 here. This was question 19. Let's go to our question 20. Suppose you drop a die at random on the rectangular region. What is the probability that it will land inside the circle with diameter 1 here? So we have been given here, this is our rectangular region. So we are going to throw die in it. So total outcome will be area of this region, and we have to find the probability that the die will land in the circular region. So our favorable outcome will be area of this circle. So let us find out area of rectangle. We know area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Here we have been given length is 3 meter and breadth is 2 meter. So it will be 6 meter square. So area of rectangle here is 6 meter square. Now area of circle. Let us find area of circle. So we have been given diameter is 1 meter. So radius is 1 by 2 meter here. Radius is half of diameter. Now area of circle we know is pi r square, that is pi into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, that will be pi by 4 meter square here. Okay. Now we have to find the probability that the die will land inside the circle. Die landing inside the circle, that will be our favorable outcome, that is area of circle by total outcome, that is area of rectangle here. So now we have area of circle is pi by 4 meter square and we have to divide it by area of rectangle, that is 6 meter square. So it will be pi by 4 into 1 by 6 here, that will be meter square here, and meter square here is cancelled down and we have pi by 24. So probability of die landing inside the circle will be pi by 24. I hope you understood this question. For question 21 onwards, watch my next video. Thank you.